To add a spouse on TurboTax 2025, start by signing in to your TurboTax account and selecting the tax return you want to work on. If you have not already created a tax return, you will need to start a new one. Once you are in the tax return, click on the Personal Info section, which is usually located at the top of the screen. In the Personal Info section, you will see a prompt that asks about your filing status. Select the option that indicates you are married and want to file jointly with your spouse. This will prompt TurboTax to ask for your spouse's information. Enter your spouse's name, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to double-check this information to ensure it is accurate, as incorrect information can delay your tax return. You will also be asked if your spouse has any dependents or income, so be prepared to provide this information as well. Once you have entered your spouse's information, TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions about your spouse's income, deductions, and credits. Answer these questions to the best of your ability, and TurboTax will use this information to calculate your joint tax return. It is also important to note that if your spouse has any self-employment income, investments, or other complex tax situations, you may need to provide additional information or documentation. TurboTax will prompt you to upload any necessary documents, such as W-2s or 1099s. So make sure you have these readily available. After you have completed the spouse information section, review your tax return to ensure everything is accurate and complete. You can do this by clicking on the Review tab at the top of the screen. If you find any errors or discrepancies, go back and correct them before submitting your tax return. Finally, once you are satisfied with your tax return, click the Submit button to e-file your return with the IRS. You will receive a confirmation email once your return has been accepted, and you can track the status of your refund online. By following these steps, you can easily add a spouse on TurboTax 2025 and file your joint tax return with confidence.